Most of the farmers that I was working with were the elderly, and that was how I started enjoying working with older people. Sometimes they share their life experiences, and sometimes they give advices. And so I really enjoyed my job as an extension officer. I realized that if you get close and you treat them with respect, that is how they see you as a family. You treat them with kindness, they see you as a family. She had such good sense of humor that anytime I got close to Margaret, it was like my grandmother, and we would share jokes. It took me a while to adjust back to work. And that was when I realized that after after working with participants for a while, you become so attached that they become family. And when you lose them, I had to deal with it like a family member I had lost a family member and I was dealing with it. I enjoy caregiving. I enjoy it because I know one day I'll be in that stage and I will need somebody like the way I treat people. I will need somebody like me to treat me, to take care of me. If I have to be in a facility, so that is what I do. I try to treat people because I know one day I'll be there and I'll want somebody to treat me like that. And at the end of the day, the satisfaction I get when I go home knowing that I touched somebody's life, somebody was happy that I did something for her, that is one thing I enjoy at the end of the day, going home, asking myself, Afua, what did you do at the end of the day?